How to install Windows 11 client on your VMware workstation. First of all, we'll go to our browser. We search for Windows 11 ISO. You click on Windows 11 ISO download. You select this one, click on this one. You scroll down, choose Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. Select this one and click on this one for download. Then you choose the language. I will choose English International. You can choose whatever language you understand. After choosing your language, you click this one to download. Then you click this one, 64 bits to download. So after finish downloading your Windows ISO, you go back to your VMware workstation. You click on create new virtual machine. You select typical recommended. Click on next. Click on I will install the operating system later. Click on next. Click on Microsoft Windows. Then you select Windows 11 64-bit times 64. Then you click on next. The name, you can write whatever name you want. Let me write Windows 11. I prefer Windows 11. Then click on next. Then you can write your password and confirm. For me, let me generate my password. After generating your password, click on next. The maximum memory disk is 64 gig. Let me reduce it to 60 gig. You can choose 64 gig or 70 gig, depending on your computer space. Depending on how many space you have in your computer. Then you click on split virtual disk into multiple file. You click on next. You click on customize hardware. You select processor 2 gig processor. Then you select memory 4 gig. This is 4 gig. You close it. You click on finish. Then you click on CDVD SATA. Click on this one. You click on use ISO image file. That image file we download earlier. That Windows 11 ISO we download earlier. You select it. This is my own Windows 11. Select this one. Click on open. You click on OK. And you click on this gray button here, or you can click on this one to start the virtual machine. Click on this. Then you click on your Control G to boost up. Language to install. Select your language, time and currency format. I select English International. My language, I select English United States. Time and currency format, English United States. Click on next. Keyboard or input method, I select USA. Click on next. I would like to install Windows 11. Click on it. Click on I agree everything will be deleted, include file and app and settings. Click on this one. Then click on next. Click on I don't have a product key. Click on it. You can wait a little bit. Select image. We select Windows 11 Pro. With this Windows 11 Pro, we can join our Windows client to our domain. We can also install Active Directory and Saver Manager. After you select your Windows 11 Pro, click on next. We are getting a few things already. Wait a little bit. Then click on accept. Then click on next, click on install. So we have to wait for some minutes. Installing Windows 11, your PC will restart several times. This might take a while, so we have to wait for some minutes to install. Choose your country or region. United States, click on yes. Keyboard, United States, US, click on yes. Click on skip. You write your device name. You can write whatever name you like. Alright. I write SOSA 2. Click on next. Click on set up for work or school. Click on it. Click on next. Click on sign in option. Click on domain join instead. Click on it. Enter your name to log in. Click on after you write your name. Click on next. You can you can enter your password if you like. Click on next. Click on next. Click on accept. Getting latest feature and security updates. You have to wait for some minutes. We have finally installed our Windows 11 client. So now let us install the full screen mode. Click on your VM. Click on install VMware tools. Click on it. Go to your file explorer. Click on your PC. Click on this. You have to wait for some minutes. Click on yes. Preparing VMware tools for installation. You have to wait to install. Then click on this. Click on it. Click on next. Click on next. Click on install. Click on finish. Click on finish. So we have to restart. You must restart your system for configuration changes mode made to VMware tools to take effect. Click yes to restart. So click on yes to restart. So we now have our Windows 11 in a full mode screen. In full screen mode now, we now have our VMware in a full screen mode. Click on your enter full screen mode. See, now we now have our Windows 11 in the full screen mode.